Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of these M&M Meats New York Striploin steaks. These are on sale, believe it or not. And we're gonna cook these up in the air fryer, and I'm gonna show you what it tastes like. So, first of all, here's the nature crown, because when I read this, pause the video. There we go. You get 6 steaks in this box. They're not flavored or anything, so you're gonna have to season them yourself. But I'm just gonna put some stuff on top and then just air fry it. You can air fry things that are frozen as well, so it actually cooks pretty quick. Alright, so that's what the steaks look like once you open it. They're decent thickness. Look at that. They're totally frozen though. And there they are there. So I'm going to try to cook one up and in the air fryer, and I'll let you know how well it turns out. So I'm going to try to see if I can cut it without opening the other ones. So I'll be back, guys. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to defrost it, so I'll be back in the upcoming video, because I don't think this will fit in my air fryer because it's solid like that. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so here's that steak. So I'm gonna get out the package. It's been defrosted, and then I'm gonna marinate it, and I'll put in the air fryer. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. Alright guys, check out. That's the steak all done in the air fryer. As you can see, it is a nice medium rare. Maybe almost to a medium well. I should have did it for 8 minutes, but I did for 9. Alright, here we go. We'll do a quick taste test. It's good, it's juicy. It's got a lot of flavor from the seasoning that I put in, so definitely check it out. The M&M Meats steak is actually not so bad, so if you have any questions, comment, subscribe to the channel.